Ready for a no meat, no egg, no dairy, fast, low cost, little energy to make, great tasting meal? Then let's make one. Hello, gonna make a great dinner tonight. Fantastic. I've done some similar dishes like this. This one I'm gonna do a little bit different. So I've got potato, I've got lentils, which are just, I love lentils. I've got, it's all gonna go into a yellow curry, and it's gonna have a little spice up with that with some sweet chili. I've got some nice oyster mushrooms here that are gonna go in. I got some broccoli, I've got some baby asparagus, which I'm dropping in there as well. I've got some chopped garlic. I've got some chopped cilantro already, and we're gonna chop some onions and put that in there. I'm gonna put this all in this like yellow curry stew. It's gonna be fantastic. And I'm gonna do a little thing here I've done before. I've tried this, it's wonderful. Take a little bit of soy milk. So it's like soy beverage. And I use the same thing in my smoothie all the time. It's wonderful. It's packed with protein. It's really good. But that's going to be the broth that's going to be in here with all the stuff. So it's going to be the curry, yellow curry, and it's going to be just made into the soup by using the soy beverage, which is a real cool trick. It works out really well. So let's get started. This is like a single serving, probably a little hefty, just because the potato's pretty good size. But it's like a medium potato. You can see what it is here. Nothing really big. I'm just going to cube it all up. It's slightly undercooked. And that's just because it's going to go, all this is going to go back into the microwave, and then it's going to be heated up again. So let's just get these into squares, cubes of some sort, just like that. So you can see how they just come out really nice. We'll put those in there. All of these, see how they're just beautiful. They're going to go in the, it doesn't matter what order this goes in, makes no difference whatsoever. Okay, and now we're going to take some lentils. We're not going to use all these lentils because it's quite a bit. So I'm going to put about roughly half a cup of lentils in here, maybe a little less than half a cup of lentil. That's all we'll need of that. And then we're going to go with mushrooms, which are really great. And I'll just chop these up a bit. I'm going to keep them quite large because I don't like my things like mushrooms and stuff to be too small. I want to taste them and bite into them. So you can see about the size they are. That's my preference. Yours could be different. Those go in there. Broccoli I'm going to cut up a little bit just so they're not pieces. Take off some of these, just the florets a little bit like that. So you get a little bit in each bite maybe, somewhere around that neighborhood. Beautiful. Okay, and then the baby asparagus we're going to just drop in here. It's none of this going to make any difference. It's all going to be in the whole mix. I am going to get a little bowl out just to mix up the yellow curry. So I'm going to take roughly 2 tablespoons. Make a little bit more. Okay, right in there. 3, maybe 3, 2.5 tablespoons, somewhere in there. I'm going to take the soy beverage milk. I'm going to put that in here. It's going to make this nice and creamy. I do this a lot with just water for the broth, but this is going to have this great bit of creaminess. I don't know if you can see that. Looks beautiful. Can you get a glimpse of that, I hope? Tip it up far enough. Okay, right there. That's nice. It just makes a nice creamier flavor to it. And I'm going to put in all the other garnish, which are, let's get rid of the tops of those onions. Now the curry that I use has a lot of flavor in it, so I'm just going to do some extra flavoring, obviously, with the garlic, chopped garlic, the onions, and the cilantro, so that's going in there. So the garlic. It's a really quick dish once you have it all ready. The avocado is going to go on afterward, so I'm just going to put some slices on top. I love the avocado with this. It's such a great dish. Okay, I'm just going to pour this over the top, as you can see. Just pouring it in here, just like that. Beautiful, and that's like the base, and that's all going to steam together. I'm going to put a top over it. I'm going to make sure that it's kind of like flattened out and even so it gets evenly heated in the microwave. It's going to be beautiful. Oh, fantastic. Oh, did forget the little bit of chili, but that's okay. We can just sprinkle this on a little bit right here. That'll just melt in anyway. Just gives a little added sweetness to it and a little chili flavor. That'll be great. Once that's steamed in, I'll do it right now. Okay, so let's get this into the microwave. And once we put that in and get that done, it's about, I'd say 4 minutes. It doesn't need to cook. Everything in there just needs to steam really nicely. And as soon as that comes out, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. It's out of the microwave. Oh, it just smells fantastic. I can't wait to eat this. So let's put the avocado on top. I'm just going to do some thin slices so I can sort of cut them with my fork as I eat this, which would be really nice. Let's do that last one about that size. Let's see if we can get these out of here without too much trouble. There we go, beautiful. Okay, so just going to kind of put these around. Beautiful, look like that. That's just gorgeous. And you'll see it up here. That's what it looks like. This is, you see how fast this was. Now there was some pre-prep. Obviously, I had to make the potato first and get that cooked because that would not have cooked here in just the 4 minutes that it was in there with all the other stuff. But I wasn't fully cooked. It was enough because I knew it was going to cook just a little bit more, and I didn't want it too mushy. I do want to bite into the potato. And lentils. Now you could buy lentils already made. Just put them in and go. I make my own lentils because I make enough there. I made enough in that batch to have some tomorrow or Saturday or whatever and have the extra. But it's really quick, easy. It's all in one bowl. It's made in a bowl. The only thing I did do is I mixed in the little metal bowl, but that's the only two things I have to wash. And I'm using a plastic fork to eat, so I don't have to wash that. But some people frown on that. But water or plastic, it's like one or the other. So plastic's probably at this point better option than water here in California. So anyway, that's what it is. It's beautiful. Again, this takes just a few minutes. I'm all about doing things quick, easy, fast. I'm FOODMAKER V, and remember, the best investment you can ever make is an investment in your health. I'll see you next time.